Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brent here with God's Country Overland. Just want to do a short introduction video to the channel. Coming up later this week, you'll see a video with Eric and I together where we're talking about what we're doing moving forward. But as of this week, God's Country Overland will be starting a fresh new channel, obviously under the God's Country Overland name. Just want to say in advance, thank you to each and every one of you for your support, for the subscribers as you guys come on board and reach out to me at any point in time that I can help. Leave comments and send me messages. A lot of you have my personal information and just want to help grow this channel together. Excited about things that are coming up and some of the sponsorships, some of the partners, trail rides, meetups, a lot going on in 2024. So wanted to get this out. We decided to do this right before SEMA. Make sure you come check us out there. We'll be with Derek at Rocket Designs, his booth. He's got several. Tomorrow you'll see a interview with him where he actually talks more about it, some good content and some specials you may want to know about. But anyway, just we're going to continue to do the same kind of videos, going to continue to do the meetups and the rides, meeting with key people in the industry and doing interviews, doing reviews on products that I feel like are worth using. This will not be a Bronco only channel. This is for anybody who is into off-roading, overlanding, camping, any combination of those. So this is a all-inclusive channel. So I look forward to, again, meeting more of you guys. Some of you I call friends now, but can't wait to meet new friends and new adventures and just do a lot more of what we've been doing and moving into 2024. So again, thank you in advance for subscribing, for following. Content will be coming, and look forward to a wonderful time with all you guys. Till then, I'll see you guys on the trail. Thanks.